Welcome back to episode 8 of Ambition Strikes. In this episode, we mountain bike in Salida, get an awesome rig tour, ski fresh powder at Arapahoe Basin, and find ourselves in the coldest weather yet. I'm Courtney, and that's my husband Riley. Driven by a desire to learn new skills and challenge ourselves, we spent 3 months building our version of the ultimate expedition vehicle. With the build coming to an end, it's time to hit the road and spend every second we can skiing, mountain biking, and sharing our passion for building things. So buckle up and follow along, because this is Ambition Strikes. How you doing, babe?
Well, I know why they call this trail Rusty Lung, because my lungs are rusty. I don't think skiing is as much a workout as biking.
No. Not when you ride the lifts.
Woo! Woo! Slippery and squishy.
I never thought that I would mountain bike in like 7 layers of clothes and still be cold, but this is so cool.
We can't help ourselves but stop and look at the advertisements out front of a real estate office and check it out.
It's a zoo and it's for sale and it comes with the animals.
We have our own zoo.
I want a zoo. We got up early this morning to head to ski at Copper, and it is a balmy -6 out.
Thank goodness for seat heaters.
-15 outside. Woo!
Well, we've hit the 1st of March. It's a beautiful day here at Copper Mountain and we're ready to go do some skiing. Some of you were a little concerned about my gaper gap. Well, I looked into it a little bit, and it turns out there were pads inside my helmet that I could remove to make my helmet a little bigger. So I removed them and fixed it. So thanks for looking out for me, guys. You inspired me to fix my gear. Woo! The water filter that you saw us install in Steamboat wasn't working out. It was a 1/4 turn style and would work its way loose. So what I've got instead is like a normal residential style water filter. This is unfortunately much larger, but it does use a common filter that we can get like at any hardware store, Lowe's, Home Depot. And it's like a solid thread-on style, so I think this is gonna end up working better for us in the end. So since we just use municipal water in our tank, I'm gonna just start with this charcoal filter to get rid of the chlorine taste. But there are also better like 3-stage filters available for these filter housings. Another advantage to a charcoal filter is you can actually drop some chlorine tablets in your water tank and this will get rid of the chlorine taste. Doing a little bit of parking lot fabrication here. We started running into a troubles. Bed area was starting to bow a little bit. And so we're adding some square tube supports in here to try to stop the bow.
Are you saying I'm too heavy?
No, I'm saying the dogs plus you plus me is too heavy.
Fair enough. Guys, I just stepped in dog poo. On a positive note, my front tray worked perfectly because the dog poo is contained to the front tray. Update, I've been informed that I stepped in cat poop,
Alright,
not
ready?
dog poop, so. Yeah. Update, Riley didn't get long enough bolts.
Got the nut on, but we're gonna have to swap it out.
It's okay, we can drill all the holes. Oh, but it's also pretty nice up here.
I'm gonna go drill a hole on the other side.
I might just take a nap. We got the bolts!
Woohoo!
Take 2.
And a snack.
And a snack, we're hungry. The bolt head is right there. It's sandwiching our wall panel and through the outer skeleton and then into the tubing. And now the hope is we can pull out these 2x4s and we won't have any sagging issues.
Go ahead. Much better. Yeah.
Life on the road, the dog's nails were getting too long, so we went to Murdoch's and got some clippers. But then also the candy display got me good. So I asked Riley to open these for me, and what does he do?
Oh, this thing's sharp. Beautiful sunny day of March here in Arapahoe Basin. This is our 8th resort of the season.
Woo. There's a helicopter coming to bomb the mountain. We have a front row view for it.
So I just randomly ran into a follower of ours on the chairlift, and he's gonna show me around, so we're going on a little hike. This is Paul. Let's hit it.
Boone escaped. He ran all the way to the lift, and I had to tackle him while he was pooping. And everyone in the lawn chairs was watching.
Boone wanted to go down and hang out at the beach. Welcome back to another episode of Instant Pot Cooking with Riley. I'm making my famous chili right now. It's only famous because I made it famous. So on saute mode, the Instant Pot draws about 62.5 amps from our batteries. So we used a little less than 500 watt hours to cook that meal. A Basin Day 2, and today it is snowing on us.
Woo! Gonna be a good day. I've never had first tracks down a run, but oh my gosh, it was just like, and then powder and fluffy. Yeah.
We're having a good time today. We're taking a little mid-morning break here, hanging out at the beach. Well guys, this is what you get when you're at the beach in A Basin.
We're at Arapahoe Basin today and it's snowing. The skiing was amazing and we realized that we have not shared this with you guys yet. So we partnered with Cody at Backcountry Box. We've been getting this box for 3 months now and it has been amazing. It comes every month, ship it to us on the road, and it comes with an array of stuff. Snacks, coffee, really high protein stuff to keep you guys fueled on the road. So we've teamed up with them and you guys can get 10% off your order with the code AMBITION10. Comes to you every month. We are a huge fan of this and we want to share it with you. We are at Outer Range Brewing.
Our new friend Jake hooked us up with some beers, and we hear later we're gonna get to go on a cool tour.
My name's Jake. My handle is Flatbed Round Earth. I'm located in Breckenridge, Colorado. It's a 2019 Ford F550 6.7 diesel engine. We built it up basically to go to Central America. So we'll be leaving in about 3 weeks down to Mexico and then keep on going down to Panama. We've kind of built it up so we can live in it. It's going to be my girlfriend and I and 3 dogs. 2 dogs are 50 pounds and the other dog is like 20 pounds, a little Boston Terrier.
Okay, that one doesn't really count.
The Boston Terrier is the tough one though. That's our actual guard dog, so yeah. This is DBL Designs fender here. This is 335/80 R20s, so they're the 42-inch tires. Along with the DBL Design bead lockers. They're flip-flop for the single wheel. We got DBL Designs shackle blocks here, and then the Fox 2.0s with the CM flatbed, and then custom boxes, which are all made from Royal Gorge Truck and RV in Canyon City, Colorado. 2 boxes here that are about 4 feet long, and then this vertical one here we just put on, which has stretched metal here that basically will breathe, and we can run generators on the inside here. We're gonna plan on like 20,000 miles of travel the first couple years. We're gonna bring oil and oil filters and air filters and all that stuff to basically do our own oil changes and basic maintenance.
How about DEF fluid?
I think we're gonna bring like 5 jugs of DEF, and that should be right around like 10,000 miles-ish. There is stuff down there and you can find it. This is just backup stuff. If we can't find it for a certain amount of time, we should be able to get there. And as we use it, we'll just replenish it when we find it. And we actually are just gonna bring 1 scooter, and that's just like a little 49cc scooter. But the cool part about that is my girlfriend and I and the 3 dogs can all fit on there, so.
You're gonna have to send us a picture of that because I can't even imagine 3 dogs and 2 people on a scooter.
Tire mount was pretty exciting. It does not fit underneath. This is a cabin chassis truck, so the fuel is actually in the rear where your normal spare tire would be, and the tire doesn't fit really anywhere else underneath. So we ended up moving everything kind of back a little bit and jamming it in here.
I feel like you're way less likely to have your spare tire stolen with it kind of tucked here than like hanging out the back.
Totally. It's 200 pounds, so at that point in time, if I don't hear them coming off, I'll hear them screaming that the tire just landed on them. So it's
karma.
Definitely, yeah, exactly.
Ooh, that's a swanky ladder.
I hope you stretched. Batteries, I took out the propane area where the 1 tank was going, and I've put 2 lithium batteries in there now, 300 watts of solar.
Nice.
Cool.
I have the inspiration on the trip, and the whole build for this is learning Spanish and learning how to surf. I want to be able to call myself a surfer at some point in time. First out Baja.
And then.
Yep. Okay. And then from La Paz over to the mainland, and then mainland Mexico on down.
I have a cute story for you guys. Today we've been skiing Copper Mountain the last few days, and we were getting ready to leave, and we started to drive away, and there was something on the windshield. I thought maybe it was a parking ticket, I wasn't really sure. Riley pulls over. It's a map of the mountain with this cute handwritten note from Andrew and his daughter Ava, who watch our channel and wanted to say hi.
Very awesome note. Thank you so much for leaving that for us. I think we've really been enjoying meeting all of you out on the road. So if you see us, say hi. Oh. It's hard to film and ski.